After designing the name sticker on Cricut Design Space, we will cut it through Cricut Machine. So let's begin with the next step. Just a review of first step before moving ahead. Create a design on Cricut Design Space, save and click Make It. Select material size and click Continue. So we have done all this in the first video. Now, after clicking Continue, we are going to open the Cricut machine, and we have to make sure it is connected with the computer via Bluetooth or USB. Now select color vinyl and place on 12 by 12 adhesive blue mat for regular vinyl. Load mat, making sure that mat is under guides. Now press load or unload button that is flashing on the Cricut machine. Now click flashing Cricut button on machine. So now we will have to give the Cricut machine the time to cut our design. So we need to wait till then. Now press load or unload button to release mat. Now remove vinyl from mat and cut vinyl around the name cutout. After cutting it out, peel off vinyl so that letters remain on vinyl backing paper. Use weeding tool to poke out scraps from inside letters if you need to. After this, we are going to place the transfer tape. So after placing the transfer tape on top of the vinyl letters, use a scraper to press letters onto sticky part of transfer tape. So you need to scrape it really hard. After that, lay transfer tape on Chromebook and transfer letters using scraper. So this is how it looks after you transfer your letters to your Chromebook or laptop. Okay, so this was our first project with name stickers on the laptop or Chromebook. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments.